This is our second visit to this fantastic AuSLMAT estate, which is one of the most beautiful places in Sri Lanka. And the people are very isolated, and their level of education on the whole is fairly low, so they don't take good care of their health. And that's one of the reasons that we've become involved here and trying to establish an education program for these people so that they can understand their health needs better. We've become involved with the MJF Foundation, the Merrill Fernando Foundation, which AuSLMAT has set up as its charity support arm. And we have been very impressed just in the past 2 years by the work that they've done. When we visited 2 years ago, we have found many children were malnourished, a lot of iron deficiency anemia, and we had a very chaotic clinic. We've returned this year with lots of support from the MJF, and we found an improvement in the child's nutrition. We understand that MJF are providing them with a daytime meal at the daycare centres every day, which is fantastic. It certainly has improved their nutritional status. We've seen lots of people today that have diabetes and that have hypertension that's been unrecognised, and we've been able to start them off on treatment. The clinics were very well organised by MJF, and as a consequence they'll be able to follow them up and make sure that they stay on their diabetic and hypertensive treatments with assistance from the estate medical people. We are also getting involved with MJF in a program to help children with disability. Children with disability and their families have a major disadvantage in all aspects of their lives, emotionally, socially and economically. And it's very difficult to provide support even in Australia. And in Sri Lanka, many of these families are very isolated and poor because of having a child with a significant disability. MJF has already set up one clinic in Moratuwa where they're providing physiotherapy and emotional support to these families, and they have an excellent physiotherapy centre which is similar to the ones we have in Australia, so that's fantastic. And Dilhan is the Merrill's son is talking about setting up some additional centres throughout the country, which will be just wonderful. I've seen one child here today who has severe cerebral palsy, and these children certainly need as much help as they can get, and so do their families.